Today we're doing lesson 5.1, times as many. So your math warm-up, you write down what you notice or wonder. On page 7 on to page 8. It says Andre has some cubes. Han has twice as many cubes as Andre. Use cubes, pictures, or other diagrams to show how many cubes Andre could have and how many Han could have. Be prepared to explain how your representation shows that Han has twice as many. Okay, so if Andre has 2, how many would Han have? Macy? 4. If Andre, if you would like to give me a number of how many Andre has and therefore how many Han has, raise your hand. Todd?
6.
And?
6 and...
You got to give me 2 numbers. How many Andre has and how many Han has?
4.
No. Ari? 6 and 12. So remember, it's twice as many, Todd. So right here it says twice as many. Han has twice as many as Andre. So if Andre has 6, Han has 12. Athena?
100.
100 and what?
200.
Yep. Haziel?
5 and 10.
Yep. 5 and 10. Harbor? 8 and 16. Derelda?
1 million and 2 million.
Yep. 1 million and 2 million. Colton?
60.
60 and?
120.
Yes, nice job. Evan?
2.
2. Oh, I already got 2.
20.
20 and?
40.
Good. And I'm out of room, so I'm going to start over down here. Andre and Han. Okay, so you just get to share one. Todd?
300. 600.
Yep, 300 and 600. Okay, anybody else? You've already shared one this time. Haven't you shared one? Not this time? Okay, go ahead, honey.
600 and 1,200.
Yep, 600 and 1,200. Emma? Yep, that'll work. 1,000 and 2,000. Those kids have some serious blocks. All right, and Mary?
11 and 22.
Yep, 11 and 22. You guys got to have a good kind of concept of now how to double a number. Okay. Here we go. Times as many. I wanted to show you one more cool thing real quick on this that I forgot to tell you a minute ago. So do you see how I kind of wrote these as fractions a little bit? What do you multiply 2 times to get 4?
2
times 2. What do you multiply 8 times to get 16?
2.
2. All of these, if you write them as fractions, all the numerators times 2 equal the denominators. So you can set them up as equivalent fractions that way. All these fractions are equal to 1/2, aren't they?
Yes.
Andre 1, Han 2. Okay, next page. Times as many. Draw a picture to show the number of cubes students have in each situation. Be prepared to explain your reasoning. So Andre has 5. It says Han has 4 times as many. So 4 times as many as 5 equals 20. I'll go that way, please. All right. So we're going to draw 4 groups with 5 in each. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one group of 5. Now I've got to go 2 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5. And 4 groups of 5. All right, so 4 groups of 5. And if we counted those out, we would see that there are, how many blocks there, Colton? Devin, will you go pull the door shut for me, please? 5, 10,
20.
20. Make sense? Okay. Priya has the following cubes, and Jada has 6 times as many. So 6 times as many as 3 equals what? Audrey?
16.
No. Ari?
18.
18. That's one of those tricky ones. Okay, so I'm going to draw 3 blocks, and I'm going to draw that 6 times. All right, so there's 6 groups of 3. Okay. Next we have Tyler has the following cubes. Mai has 8 times as many. So 8 times as many as 2 equals what? Haziel? Yep, 16. So for Mai, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. All right. What number represents 8 times as many as 2? 16. Show your reasoning. We're going to draw an arrow to our diagram. All right, and then on our partner activity, I gave you a mat where you guys chose a number that was between 2 and 6, rolled a dice, and that dice roll told you how many times you needed to repeat that. So if you picked the number, you have to pick between 2 and 6. If you picked a 3 and then you rolled the dice and got a 4, then you would need to draw the diagram. There's 3 blocks, and you would have to repeat or draw that a total of 4 times. And that was the partner activity that we did. And then we're gonna go on to the practice pages 33 and 34.